Santa rally missing? Nifty battles bearish trends, record low rupee and FII outflows. Highlights, market trends, technical insights, and top movers like One Mobikwik, Panacea Biotech, and Seagull India. Well, it appears that there will be no Santa Claus rally for Nifty and its stocks this holiday season. We say so because Nifty witnessed another uninspiring session in yesterday's session, its second trading day of the Santa Claus rally period. Please note, the Santa Claus rally period will run until Friday, 3rd January. Our call of the day, which suggests a light volume trading day, is quite likely, with Nifty trading directionless, choppy and volatile. Digging deeper, Nifty and its stocks have been struggling in the last 3 months on worries that prices have shot too high amid Dalal Street's frenzy around its reputation of top investment destination. Long story short, fingers crossed for the end of year Santa Claus rally, which could provide a final boost to a 2024 performance for Nifty and its stocks. Global cues are neutral. In yesterday's session, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 2377 crores, while DIIs net bought shares to the tune of Rs 3336 crores. Sentiments could turn risky for the day. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals are indicating oversold conditions on the daily charts. Fano December month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,000 to 25,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index, is hovering at 14.03 levels. Nifty PCR, 30th January, is at 1.32 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 29th January, is at 1.11. Nifty outlook, Nifty may waver, manic wild moves also quite likely. Nifty, CMP 23750. Support, 2,36,500 to 23,600. Resistance, 23,850 to 23,900. Range, 23,600 to 23,900. Bias, sideways to bullish. Bank Nifty, CMP 51170. Support, 50,900 to 50,850. Resistance, 51,450 to 51,500. Range, 50,850 to 51,500. Bias, sideways to bullish. Nifty is trading sluggish below its 200 DMA, which is placed at 23,855 mark. Meanwhile, the Indian rupee is now at its record closing low at 85.26. INR all-time low is now at 85.28, primarily pressured by a firm dollar and importers' month-end dollar demand. Please note, the rupee's drop to 85 from 84 has happened over 2 months, while the decline to 84 from 83 took nearly 14 months. Weak rupee makes Indian stock markets less attractive to foreign investors and raises inflation fears. This December, FIIs have been net sellers to the tune of Rs 9121 crores. The next catalysts shall come only in January as the Q3 earnings reporting cycle shifts into a higher gear. Buzzing stocks. 1. Shares of International Gemological Institute of India was locked in a 10% upper circuit at Rs 580 after acquiring 2 companies for $158 million, 1,348 crore rupees. 2. Shares of recently listed One Mobikwik Systems was in limelight in yesterday's trade, up 4.89% amidst a block deal worth 118 crore rupees. 3. Infrastructure construction company, Seagull India was up plus 3% after bagging a 981 crore rupees project from the NHAI. 4. Panacea Biotech moved up plus 4% after winning a UNICEF supply order worth 127 crore rupees.